Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, Adam. I am so happy today.
Why are you so happy, Sarah?
I finally spoke up in my meeting.
Oh, was it a difficult meeting?
Yes, it was very long and loud.
I hate loud meetings, Sarah.
Me too. Everyone was talking at once. Phew.
Did you have an idea to share?
Yes, I had a very important point.
But could you find a time to speak?
It was almost impossible, Adam.
Why was it so hard?
My colleague, John, never stops talking.
Every office has a John, right?
Right. He talks for 10 minutes alone.
Did you just wait for him to finish?
I waited at first, but he kept going.
That is very frustrating.
I felt my heart beating fast.
Were you afraid of being rude?
Yes, I didn't want to be mean.
Interrupting feels very aggressive sometimes.
Exactly, but I needed to share my data.
So, what did you do, Sarah?
I decided to use a soft entry.
Soft entry? That sounds very professional.
It is. It's a polite way to jump in.
Tell me your secret words, Sarah.
I waited for a tiny second of silence.
Just a tiny one, like a breath?
Yes, just one small breath from John.
And then you started speaking?
I leaned forward and raised my hand slightly.
Body language is very important here, right?
Yes, it shows you are ready to speak.
What was your first sentence, Sarah?
I said, "Sorry to jump in, John."
Sorry to jump in. That is very smooth.
It is better than saying, "Stop talking."
Yes, that would be a disaster.
John stopped and looked at me.
Did he look angry or annoyed?
No, he actually said, "Oh, sorry, Sarah."
Wow, so it really worked?
It worked perfectly, Adam, truly.
Then did you give your opinion?
Yes, I shared my idea about the budget.
Did the manager like your idea?
He loved it. He said, "Great point, Sarah."
Phew, I am so glad for you.
Thank you. I felt so much better.
But what if John didn't stop?
That is a different situation, Adam.
What do you do in that case?
You must be a bit more firm.
Can I finish my point, please?
Exactly, but still keep a smile.
A smile is your secret weapon, right?
Always. It keeps the energy positive.
I struggle with this every single week.
Well, you are not alone, Adam.
I usually just stay quiet and sad.
Don't do that. Your ideas have value.
I worry I will forget my English.
That is why we use short phrases.
Short phrases are easier to remember.
Yes, they give you confidence fast.
Sarah, I couldn't get a word in edgewise today.
That is a perfect idiom, Adam.
I know. I felt it during lunch.
Everyone was talking about the new movie.
Yes, I couldn't say anything at all.
That happens in big groups, too.
We must explain that phrase to everyone.
We will. It is a very common one.
But first, our listeners must practice.
I have a great sentence for them.
Is it a polite interruption?
Yes, it is the best one to use.
Are you ready, Snack English family?
Please repeat every word after me. Speak with a clear and professional voice. We will start very short now. Sorry to jump in. Sorry to jump in. Good. Now let us add more. Sorry to jump in, but can I share? Sorry to jump in, but can I share? Excellent. Now the full professional version. Sorry to jump in, but can I share my opinion on this point? Sorry to jump in, but can I share my opinion on this point?
That sounded very professional, Sarah.
It did. You sounded like a manager, Adam.
I am very proud of our listeners today.
They are learning a very difficult skill.
Speaking in meetings is the final boss.
Yes, but they are winning now.
Sarah, let us talk about your idiom.
You mean to get a word in edgewise?
Yes, what does edgewise mean?
It means sideways, like a very thin space.
So the space for your words is thin?
Exactly, because the other person talks so much.
So there's no room for you?
Right, you are trying to squeeze your words in.
I couldn't get a word in edgewise.
Perfect. It means the conversation was too crowded.
Can I use it for my aunt talkative?
Yes, it is perfect for that.
My aunt talks so much, I can't get a word in edgewise.
You got it. It's a very natural phrase.
I love how it describes the feeling.
Idioms are like pictures with words, Adam.
That's a very beautiful way to say it.
Thank you. I tried to be creative.
Sarah, do you have any more meeting tips?
Always have a notepad and pen.
Why is that helpful for interrupting?
You can write your idea down first.
So I don't forget it while waiting.
Exactly. It keeps your brain calm.
That is a very smart rule, Sarah.
Then, when there is a breath, boom.
Boom! You share your great idea.
Right, and everyone will be impressed.
I will try this in my Monday meeting.
Tell me how it goes, Adam.
I will. I promise you that.
Well, our snack is almost over today.
Oh, time goes so fast with you.
It really does. I had a lot of fun.
I hope our listeners learned a lot today.
I am sure they did. They are great.
Remember to use sorry to jump in.
Yes, it is your key to the meeting.
And don't forget to raise your hand slightly.
It helps people see you are ready.
Before we go, please subscribe to us.
Yes, join our Snack English family now.
Click the like button if you enjoyed this.
It helps us help more students globally.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us about a person who talks too much.
Don't use their real names.
Right, just tell us the situation.
I will read every single story today.
Thank you for listening to Snack English.
You guys are truly wonderful students.
Keep practicing and keep speaking every day.
We will see you in the next snack.
Have a wonderful and confident day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.